Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial. In this Tuta Mail Guide for 2026, I'll show you how to fix Tuta Mail not receiving emails issues. Whether you're missing important messages, not receiving verification emails, or noticing that new emails are no longer arriving in your inbox, there are several troubleshooting steps you can take to identify and resolve the problem. So let's get started. First, check your spam, junk, and trash folders. Sometimes legitimate emails can be filtered automatically and placed in a different folder instead of your inbox. Next, verify that the sender is using the correct email address. Even a small typo in your email address can prevent messages from being delivered successfully. Try sending a test email to your Tuta Mail account from another email service. This can help determine whether the problem affects all incoming emails or only specific senders. If you're using custom inbox rules, filters, or folders, review those settings carefully. An incorrectly configured rule may automatically move incoming messages away from your inbox. Once the issue is fixed, send a few test messages from different email providers to confirm that emails are arriving correctly and consistently. And that's how to fix Tuta Mail not receiving emails issues. By checking your folders, storage limits, filters, synchronization settings, and account configuration, you can resolve most email delivery problems and restore normal inbox functionality. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.